Alrighty, well, it's pretty windy outside, so I got the camera in the trunk right now, but we've upgraded the brakes with our PowerStop Z36 brake kit. Got our 33-inch Toyo open country AT3s mounted on the Jeep. And finally, we've got the Rancho 3.5-inch lift kit with fully adjustable control arms, a rear track bar, and all that stuff installed, aligned, and ready to test. So unfortunately, I still haven't gotten myself sway bar quick disconnects, but we'll get to those in time. So I'm gonna get myself air down right now, get my sway bar disconnected, and we're gonna do a little shakedown up here at Moody Hill. I just wanna see how she performs on some off-road terrain and just enjoy it. This has been the past 2 weeks of work, ton of money involved. So I'd like to just get on the trail right now, enjoy it a bit. We got some rain coming this weekend, so I'm not really looking to spend my time out in the trail getting this thing muddy. I actually do need to clean this up, do some fluid film and all that stuff. So it's beautiful out right now. It's dry, it's sunny. We're gonna hit Moody Hill. We're gonna do a proper shakedown of this rig with all the new upgrades and just enjoy our afternoon. All right, let's get to it. First time articulating the suspension, putting these tires on any sort of rocks. I actually adjusted the dampening of my shocks. It's got 9 settings that you can do. It was on 3 for the road. I adjusted it for 5 for this trail. Don't have much experience with the dampening adjustments yet, so let's see. Ooh. Oh, my heart is racing. I'm nervous because this is so much change from the last time I've been off-roading. Cut a tire, you know, and now the tires are all new, suspension's all new, my brakes are all new. It's exciting. I'm gonna try to enjoy it without having a heart attack at every single damn noise. Okay, so this is the main like rocky obstacle on Moody Hill on the trail itself from this point on. So from the beginning to now. So I'm gonna go ahead, probably choose close to a similar line that I usually take, but I might go right more up the middle. Let's see. Okay, no, seriously, that just ate that up. That ate that up. Oh, the tires, they spun for a second, but then connected right away. And I mean, with the lift, I didn't even hit my slider once. My rock rails didn't. This shakedown, I also didn't hear anything. No creaks or cracks or anything. All right, this shakedown is so far proven to be a major success. Okay. Last time I came up Moody Hill, I had a little bit of difficulty at this spot where I had to really bump it. I'm gonna try kind of the same line and see how much better this is. So I'm gonna swing out a little, and I'm gonna come for it like this. Had no problems. The tires grabbed, the lift did what it's supposed to do, my articulation. I didn't touch once. I didn't touch any skids, no rock rails, nothing. One thing that I was worried about going into a lift was that it's going to take the challenge and the fun away. Not at all, not in the slightest. Still had to choose a proper line, still had to do it with finesse. The 4 years of driving stock, I'm glad I did it, but this is awesome. All right. What a beautiful Jeep. And what a beautiful Friday afternoon up here on Moody Hill. I'm gonna take a break, have some water, have something to drink, and we're gonna head on back down Moody Hill to the lot on Buckhorn, get aired up, reconnect our sway bar, and get home for finally a normal time for dinner after one of these trips. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna get turned around and head back down. Okay, now we're going down our final obstacle. I think I got myself dialed in. Let's make it happen. Okay. It was definitely much easier to just go straight with this lift. It got me a little tippier, that line, than I was expecting, but nothing too crazy. Let's get down to the lot now. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, well, that went great. It was a pain in the ass getting those new sway bar links reconnected. They're pretty tight in there, so I think quick disconnects are definitely in the near future, and then it'll be done. Everything suspension wise will be done. So yeah, the Jeep looks great, it performed great, with the 3.5-inch Rancho suspension lift, the PowerStop Z36 brake kit, and the 33-inch Toyos. Man, those did really nice. There's a lot of slickish rock up on Moody Hill, and it gripped it because like the dust and stuff, but gripped it with no problem today. So, all right. Once again, the shakedown was a huge success, and it's not too late. It's just a little, I think it's almost 6, a little after 5:30. So I'm gonna head back home. If I have anything else to add, I'll see you on my ride home. But besides that, thanks a lot for watching.